Hey, Jason, thanks for the call yesterday. Um, After we chatted, I did a little competitive research looking at commercial cleaning in Nashville and just wanted to chat a little bit about what Google thinks about what it uses to make decisions on who to show on that first page of Google when people are searching for your services. So, first things first, I just wanted to say I do a lot of this type of stuff, and I like your site. I like it's different than your average looking site. I think having this request form right here is fantastic. Um, Obviously, the goal of your site is to collect leads, right? So you want to have that front and center. So that's really good. All right, so let's chat real quick about the things Google cares about. So there's 200 data points or more, but the four biggies are technical SEO. So this is kind of the background of your site, the back end, how things are put together, XML sitemaps and metadata and that kind of stuff. We're not going to talk a lot about that. And I don't think that's going to be the biggest bang for your buck or biggest important thing that you can do. The others are content, or the actual words on your site, which we will get into. Third is backlinks. That's other places around the web linking back to you. And fourth is what we call citations. As Google can see your business name, address, and phone number as it shows up around the web. So let's jump right into it. First thing is content. You've got a paragraph here, some services, a few words down here. Overall, you're looking at about 300 words on your homepage. And what Google likes to see is about 1,500 words. All right, now this is something that you can handle on your own if you want to, right? You can add some information right here. You've got some space where you can beef this up. But I suspect that this has an option where this can flip around and you can have some words on the back of there. Maybe add a paragraph under each of these. Maybe add a new section describing how the business started, why you do what you do, that kind of thing. So that's something you can do on your own. And again, what Google likes to see is about 1,500 words. And then the same for internal pages. Google likes to see the more the better, generally, but about 250 to 750 words. And this internal page here, we're looking at 40 words or so. If I could give one piece of advice, I'd create some child pages for this one for each of your services, and have each of these link to an individual page with a couple hundred words about what you do in the restrooms, what you do in the kitchens, what you're focusing on in the entryways, etc. All right, so that's that. Let's talk a little bit about your competition. So if I Google Nashville commercial cleaning, this is what shows up. Now, if you are one of these top three right here, you are going to get the vast majority of phone calls, the vast majority of clicks and traffic to your website, and the vast majority of people requesting information on your contact forms. Okay, so how do we get here? I'm willing to bet that each of these three have a corresponding website on the first page of Google. Okay, so if we look at them, Inago, Impact, Harpeth. Here's Harpeth right here. Impact Cleaning is right there. And there's Inago. Okay, so all three of these guys in this top spot are on that first page. All right, so let's talk about backlinks, links coming from other places around the web back to your site. Okay, so if we turn on this tool, this basically allows me to take a look into some of the data that Google's using to make these decisions, okay? So looking at backlinks, we're looking at this first number right here, okay? This is to the home page. Harpeth has 12 links. Impact Cleaning, 12. Inago, 33, okay? So these are the things that matter to get them up here. And then if we go look at yours, our tool's turned on. This is our number, 2 links back to your site. So we have some opportunity to beef that up. Okay, there's opportunity to get links from websites made for commercial cleaning, websites made for businesses in the Nashville area, but then also business directories, so Yelp and the Better Business Bureau, and those kinds of things are all options to get links back to your site. And really, these links coming back, you can think of just as a vote in the Google popularity contest to get you on the front page. Okay, I've done over 5 minutes. I don't want to take any more of your time right here. Would love to answer any questions you have. Would love to get you on the phone with my partner, Owen, to talk about, he's the content guy, really knows his way around content, knows what Google cares about, knows what potential customers care about, and how to get people to take the actions we want. So if you want to book a call, there'll be a link at the bottom of this video and a link in the email that I send you. And we'll go from there. Let me know if you got any questions. Thanks.